AI just burned $160 billion. Only 39% are profitable. Okay, so AI companies just raised $160 billion in 2025 billion with a B. And you wanna know how many of them are actually making money? 39%. 6 out of 10 companies are literally losing money on this stuff, and nobody's talking about it. But I read the actual reports. MIT, Goldman Sachs, Bloomberg. I'm gonna show you what they found, and trust me, it's not what you think. So let me paint you a picture of what 2025 looked like. Every single startup suddenly became AI powered. Your email app, AI. Your coffee maker, AI. That weird app your uncle downloaded, definitely AI. Investors were throwing money at anything with the words neural network in the pitch deck. Nvidia stock went absolutely insane. Conferences were packed. Everyone thought they were gonna be rich. It was like, remember the crypto boom? That energy, except times 10. And then people started actually looking at the numbers. And wait till you hear that you, you hear what they found. MIT Technology Review did a study. They looked at companies actually using AI, not just talking about it, and tracked their profits. Only 39% saw any return on investment. I'm not making this up. I link the study below so you can read it yourself. The rest, they're paying more for the technology than they're making back. It's like, okay, imagine you bought a $300,000 Ferrari to deliver pizzas, and then you're confused why you're not profitable. That's what's happening. Companies are spending luxury car money to solve Honda Civic problems. But here's where it gets crazy. Goldman Sachs, you know, the bank that doesn't exactly panic easily. They put out a report calling it speculative excess. The Bank of England started warning people. Bloomberg started asking where's the actual money. I read these reports. They're publicly available. I'll link them all in the description. Because here's the thing about AI, it's expensive, like insanely expensive. You need massive data centers. You need these specialized chips that cost millions. Your electricity bill alone can bankrupt you. So companies are burning through cash, waiting for profits that aren't coming. But here's what nobody wants to admit. Some people are getting filthy rich off this, just not who you think. Nvidia, they're making billions. OpenAI charging for API access, billions. Microsoft Azure, Amazon Web Services, all the cloud providers, billions. They're selling the shovels while everyone else is digging for gold. It's the oldest trick in the book. During the actual gold rush in the 1800s, you know who got rich? Not the miners, the, the guys selling pickaxes. Same thing here. All these AI startups are basically customers paying these massive infrastructure bills. And when they go under, Nvidia still got paid, AWS still got paid, Microsoft still got paid. It's honestly kind of genius. This next part nobody talks about. Now look, I'm not saying AI is fake or useless. The technology is real. It works. It's genuinely impressive. But there's this pattern in tech that keeps repeating. The dot-com boom. Everyone thought every website would make millions. 90% of them crashed, but the ones that survived, Amazon, Google, they built the actual internet. Crypto, same thing. Thousands of coins. Most are worthless now, but blockchain technology is still here. AI is gonna follow the same path. Right now, we're in the hype phase. Everyone's excited. Nobody's profitable. Money is flying everywhere. But eventually, probably soon, this bubble is gonna pop. Quick question before I finish. Do you think AI is overhyped or are we just early? I'm actually curious. Comment below. And when it does pop, 90% of these companies are gonna disappear, just gone. But the 10% that survive, those are the ones that will actually build the future. So the question isn't whether the bubble will pop, it's which companies are gonna make it through. And I'm gonna show you exactly which ones in part 2. If this video just saved you from making a terrible investment decision, hit that like button. And if you want to know which AI companies will actually survive, you gotta subscribe. Don't miss part 2.